What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today I'm working on the EK hatch. I just replaced the driver's side door handle. I had it chilling in the back seat and it got scratched with other stuff I had in the toolbox, but it's much better. This is the one that was on it before, and no. But I just got done switching it out. Still got the tools, still got to put the door panel back on. But today what we're going to be installing, I got some parts that just came in I've been wanting to put on. So I got this strap I want to put on the passenger side right there, and got the strap. Got some new pedals right here. Got two new ones, and I also picked up a EK4 SIR cluster, if I'm not mistaken. It's pretty cool. So, oh yes, and a sun strip. It's white, so I want to put that on as well. But it's because the ones I have currently on right now are really bad, so I'm gonna replace these two. Alright, I already switched out the pedals, put the new ones on. These were the old ones, they were very worn out. And the last one, the gas pedal, just had this ricey cover on it, just 4 bolts, and took it off. So much better luck. Next thing I'm gonna put on is this cluster. All you have to do is take off 2 bolts on top, one right here and the other one right there, and the harness behind it, unplug it and put the new one in. After you remove the top 2 bolts, then you gotta take off this plastic thing right here. Just be careful not to break it. There you go. And then usually you would have four bolts, one on each corner, one right there, one right there, and then 2 more on top, right there, and on the left side as well. Once you remove all the bolts, you're gonna have 4 plugs. 1, 2, 3. And you're just gonna want to disconnect all 3. And one more in the back right here, yellow one. And you should be set. There you go. This is a automatic cluster that I've been having. Doesn't look way better. And the same way you removed it, the same way you're gonna put everything back on. 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4 bolts, then the cover, and then the 2 bolts on top. Oh yeah. There we go. Not bad. One thing about this is that I'm gonna have to get used to this in kilometers instead of miles per hour, but shouldn't be too hard to remember the numbers. Next step is it's time to put this on. I'm just gonna end up hanging it from right here. 2 bolts as well. Very simple. All right, once you slide it in, just tighten the bolt back in and put the clip back. All right, so I put up to my friend Katie's house. They helped me put the sun strip on because I know if I do it by myself, I'm gonna mess it up. You need 2 people for that. Here's the sun strip. Nothing special, just gloss white. It's super windy outside, so I'm gonna put it on and then I'll show you how it looks. Before you install it, you want to make sure you have some Windex. Spray it down. Spray it down. Give it a good wipe all across.
How to lose your wrap.
How to lose your wrap?
How to lose your wrap. Do not apply Windex onto the vinyl because it will fly off. Happened to me twice.
Yep.
Only on the windshield.
Only on the windshield, we're going to apply Windex.
Set it to the right dimension you guys are happy at. Enrique, if you don't mind holding this side, I'll go to the side so Jesus can get a better look and see how he likes his.
Where's the sun at, Kike?
Right here. Hey, Kike, lift it up. You line it up to the tape? My tape off.
Go a little more down.
So you gotta lift it up.
Hold on, let me make sure it's straight. It's centered. Right there, bro. Yeah, it looks pretty good.
Looks good there?
Looks good on camera, so it should be good.
There? Alright, so we're gonna do the dangerous part. We're gonna take off the fucking sticky part. So.
IGZ, fuck up's not our fault.
It kind of is a little bit.
Not a professional. DUI.
Is it DUI?
DUI.
This is gonna be tough, bro.
Jeez, can you hold this?
Yeah, bro, I got you.
DK, don't do 2 sides at once. Only 1 side at once. Makes it easier. Because remember, it's a big ass.
And you work at Toyota, car.
I don't wrap cars at Toyota.
Ready to get the ends, Enrique?
Hold on.
He's gonna put his finger on the fucking vinyl watch.
Fuck you.
You need your grab grip. There you go. Now we'll take off the...
Take off the axis.
Wait. Look, the Windex dried up, so we might want to add a little more Windex.
GZ's in here. Piss, Peter, do something, bro.
Look at that face.
Oh, and disclaimer, GZ can't spell Kaizen.
Shut up.
Nigga made a video for Ike and it said Kaizen.
And I told him it was a rough edit as well.
Okay.
I even put it in the fucking combo. It's a rough edit on the quick.
Bro, wait, don't apply down first. Try getting try lining it up first to your line. Yeah, I was like, I have it hasta acá, that's why I'm like, I feel like it should be tugged.
Yeah, don't mess up for the vlog.
Is it good? You good over there?
I think it's good right there. Let me see. Ahí se mira bien. Looks good right there, bro.
I might have one downstairs.
I got a couple cards.
Your debit cards, yeah.
Cards?
Alright, which one you want, Katie? Alright guys, we're here during the Corona quarantine, day 4. We got bored, so we ordered this white wrap from China, from the city where the Corona came from. So you just gotta go straight to the source to avoid the Corona. Ain't that right, boys? Y saludos a la gente de México que está viendo este video. Saludos a
5 de febrero.
Amen. Is that near Michoacán?
Yeah, I think so. I think. Don't fucking quote me.
¿Y tú? Saludos a...
Allá del Hito, allá del Hitomatal.
Ah,
Allá de Jalisco, ya por donde es mi novia.
¿A dónde, mijo? ¿Otra vez?
De Jalisco y parte de mi
me-
novia. Ahí
así
si
mero.
mira mis videos, no sé.
Así mero.
Dale un like, no seas culera.
We got the case swap.
Hopefully, bro, here, take it like that, so we don't scratch the roof.
Got the
more
case
than
swap
it is.
attach. We got the ship box coupe over here. We got the rocket ship over there. And then the other one's been hibernating.
No, I gotta pick up the other one so we can get a picture of all the ships.
And concentration, determination. All for Import Alliance.
Bro, it's just canceled because of Corona.
Never mind. We got the joy.
It's fucking tough tape.
Pulled up with Camila thinking she was gonna have an adventure, but you see her? She fell asleep. Ooh. Oh shit, my button. Oh, I'm Chuy. Well, she got him planned for the hatch, Jeezy. New door handles. Finally.
Que ando la chingando y todas esas lines que hice. Not bad. Overall, it's pretty good. Pretty happy with the sun strip. The sun strip, cluster swap, and the little brace right there. Next thing probably do is the door handle, interior bride. Same for the other side, armrest and headliner. So we'll see. Like always, I always appreciate y'all watching my videos. Give it a thumbs up, like, comment. Y'all know what to do. Hopefully next time we get some to go fast parts as well. But we'll see with all this coronavirus and shit. So we just gotta wait it out. But be safe out there. Peace.